Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. It's very clear to see that the entire crypto market is slowly starting to shift towards a positive sentiment, and that can be seen by the amount of inflow of cash that's clearly outweighing the outflow, and Bitcoin is able to reclaim the price of 90,000. This is due to the anticipation of the first ever crypto summit that will be held on Friday. There is a lot of news that's starting to build up rumors, and it's definitely pushing up the market in the positive sentiments. On the other end, Belarus president calls to begin mining cryptocurrency. That's a whole country we're talking about. Crypto World hopes Trump summit Friday will deliver more of it what wants from Washington, which is obviously something relating to crypto or Bitcoin reserve. On the other end, we have Commerce Secretary hints that a Bitcoin reserve strategy will be announced at the White House Crypto Summit on Friday. Dogecoin eyes a major breakout. Analysts predict $2.74 around the corner, while El Salvador president dismisses the IMF Bitcoin freeze demand. We will not stop, we will be purchasing more. And Russia rules out Bitcoin for the National Wealth Fund, sticks to yuan and gold for now. At the same time, a lot of things is happening. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notification for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up. All of us make a lot of profit, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the overall terminology to use over here would be the overall sentiment in the entire crypto market. It's very clear to see that majority of the coins are making a slow recovery, and there are some new names which are starting to climb a little bit higher up the ladder as compared to other names that we are expected to see in the top 20. Now you can see that Shiba Inu has fallen behind a little bit. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's still holding the 9th spot, losing the 8th spot to Cardano, but there is definitely more things which are about to happen in the near-term future. If we just talk about meme coins in general, now you can see that the difference between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin is much greater. The reason for this is because the amount of people which are actually talking about Dogecoin's ETF being released, Dogecoin being mentioned in some very important talks when it comes to cryptocurrency. Therefore, the amount of institutional money that's actually flowing through Dogecoin is definitely increasing the amount of the difference between market cap of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. What's really interesting is currently there are some people which are trying to do some sort of calculation, but just to give you perspective, $31 billion. If you double that, 62. So currently Dogecoin is capturing about, you can say, 60% to 55% of the entire market cap of meme coins just by itself. Now if you compare that to the overall market, that's very similar to how much dominance Bitcoin has on the entire market. So that should give you perspective in terms of how much Dogecoin has potential and how much it's already controlling the market. And one thing that is crazy is Belarus, which is a country, is talking about how cryptocurrency mining should begin there. If it is profitable for us, let's do it. We have excessive electricity, let them make this cryptocurrency and so on. And if we're able to make profit from it, well, let me tell you one thing, they're gonna do it. And if a country starts being in favor of crypto, there's definitely going to be more money that will be flowing through. Now, Crypto World hopes for Trump's summit to do well. What are we expecting from this? It's very clear. This is the first ever summit. We want to ensure that this summit comes in a positive sentiment towards the crypto market, and it is not. When I mean not, it's not this. We do not want it to be buy the rumors and sell the news. The rumors are going to build up until Friday, and as soon as the news drops, it's going to be a sell-off point. Now, do I agree with that statement? It's a little bit skeptical, but if there is a really strong information that can drop, or some sort of, trigger point that will make Trump administration go positive towards crypto, there's definitely a lot more room for crypto to grow as compared to fall back. But again, as I mentioned, crypto traders love doing this, which is buy the rumors sell the news. The chances of this happening are quite high, so if you're a leverage trader, be a little cautious. Talking about Dogecoin, currently we are sitting at a very strong resistance point, which is close to 22 cents, and you can see that every single time we have gotten rejected. Currently on the super trend, we have just flipped into an uptrend not long ago, just about 24 hours ago, so there is a chance that we might be able to see an explosive result. The Dogecoin open interest has recaptured the 1 billion mark, and along to the short ratio currently is sitting at a very comfortable spot. When I say comfortable spot, in simple terms, it's pretty much in favor of long traders, and it is in favor of long traders by quite a margin. On the other end, Michael Saylor says Bitcoin strategic reserve positions the US as the leader in the race to dominate the cyberspace. Why is this a big deal? But personally, I agree with this statement. A Bitcoin strategic reserve isn't just smart, it's the key to cyber dominance. The digital gold rush is here, and the US better lead it. That's the best way to describe it, and you guys know that Trump wants the US to be leader in crypto. At the same time, Canada says it won't end the tariffs unless all the US tariffs are lifted, and the chances of that happening in the short term is going to be a little bit hard. And over the last 3 months, crypto investors have rigged the full emotional cycle from extreme greed to extreme fear, but as saying goes, be greedy when others are fearful. And currently, let me tell you one thing, there is a lot of people which are being fearful, but personally, would you jump into it? That would be a statement you will have to answer. And Robinhood hosts a $2 million crypto trivia contest offering Bitcoin and Dogecoin as prizes, and that's exactly what I was trying to say, as Dogecoin's dominance in the meme coin is starting to grow. And over the last 2 months, all wallet sizes confound have actively reshuffled their Bitcoin holding. It's actually very easy to see that a lot of people are trying to figure the best way to make the most money, and Dogecoin could see a massive price rebound anytime soon, as analysts highlight Dragonfly Doge mean reversion theory. Now this theory is interesting, but at the end of the day, all you need to understand is there is definitely more potential for the market to climb for Dogecoin as compared to falling down. That's the simplest way to put it. And staff statement on meme coins signal a significant shift in the SEC position on the digital assets. And let me tell you one thing, if they are able to support the meme coins, the one that's going to be affected the most in a positive sentiment will definitely be Dogecoin. And the US Customs start releasing Chinese-made Bitcoin miners after regulatory holdup. Now, this is interesting because you guys know that US really, or after Trump has got into power, is trying extremely hard to ensure that they're able to lead the crypto mines. And now they're accepting the Chinese-made ones to allow them to come into the country. And breaking Russia's suspends all operation as Tether freezes $28 million in USDT. Now, this has raised a lot of questions. Does Tether have so much control? And at the same time, everything I said today is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. So make sure if you're putting your money into anything, make your own decision. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.